Welcome back to the China Law 101 video series. I'm your host Edgar Choi from Law in a Minute. In today's video, we will talk about whether street fighting is illegal. In this video, I would like to discuss with you the consequences and punishments associated with fights and brawls from civil, administrative punishment, and criminal law perspectives. Firstly, in terms of civil liability, according to Article 1179 of the Civil Code, if someone inflicts bodily harm on another person, they are obligated to compensate for reasonable expenses related to medical treatment, nursing care, transportation, nutrition, hospital food allowances, and any other costs incurred for treatment and rehabilitation. Additionally, they must compensate for any loss of income due to the victim's inability to work. In cases of disability, the responsible party is also required to cover the costs of assisted devices and provide disability compensation. Furthermore, if the alteration results in death, they must compensate for funeral expenses and provide death compensation. Moving on to administrative punishment, the law on administrative penalties for public security outlines the consequences for engaging in fights or intentionally causing harm to others. According to Article 43 of this law, individuals involved in physical fights or intentionally inflicting injuries may face detention for a period ranging from 5 to 10 days, along with a fine ranging from 200 to 500 yuan. For less severe cases, the punishment may include detention for less than 5 days or a fine up to 500 yuan. However, if the altercation involves aggravating circumstances such as organized fights, injuries inflicted on vulnerable individuals such as disabled individuals, pregnant women, children under 14 years old, or elderly individuals over 60 years old, or multiple instances of fights or injuries, the punishment may increase to detention for more than 10 days but less than 15 days, along with a fine ranging from 500 yuan to 1,000 yuan. Lastly, let us delve into the realm of criminal liability. The offense committed during a fight determines the specific criminal charge. If the act constitutes intentional harm, it falls under the category of infringements of personal rights and could be considered intentional injury if it causes minor injuries or more severe harm. According to Article 234 of the Criminal Law, intentionally causing bodily harm to others is punishable by up to 3 years of imprisonment. If the harm inflicted is more severe, such as resulting in serious injury, the punishment increases to imprisonment for more than 3 years but less than 10 years. In cases where the alteration leads to death or causes serious disability through particularly cruel means, the punishment can be imprisonment for more than 10 years, life imprisonment, or even the death penalty as stipulated by other laws. Furthermore, if the act involves arbitrary assault on others without specific intent to cause harm, it falls under the category of disturbing public order and may be considered provocation and disturbance of public order. If it causes minor injuries or more severe harm, or if the assault involves the use of weapons. Article 293 of the Criminal Law states that individuals who randomly assault others with particularly severe circumstances can face up to 5 years of imprisonment. Moreover, if the assailants gather others to engage in multiple assaults causing significant disruption to social order, the punishment increases to imprisonment for more than 5 years but less than 10 years, along with the possibility of a fine. If both sides involve multiple individuals in a brawl, it falls under the category of disturbing public order and could be considered as a mass brawl. If both sides consist of at least 5 people, According to Article 292 of the Criminal Law, for mass brawls, the principal instigators and other active participants may face up to 3 years of imprisonment. However, if the mass brawl involves aggravating circumstances such as multiple instances of mass brawls in public places or major thoroughfares causing serious disorder, or mass brawls involving weapons, these punishments can increase to imprisonment for more than 3 years or less than 10 years. If a mass brawl results in serious injury or death, the punishment is determined according to the offenses of intentional injury or intentional homicide. Thank you for watching today's video. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we will talk about whether a divorce agreement may state no remarriage.